नहीं, चैलेंजिंग तो डेफिनेटली था. अगर मुझ जैसे आदमी को टेनिस खेलना पड़े तो इट ऑटोमेटिकली बिकम्स चैलेंजिंग बिकॉज आई हैड नो क्लू अबाउट टेनिस सिवाय देखने के. बट अनूप जी वॉज वेरी काइंड. ही अरेंज फॉर 2-3 month कोचिंग सेशंस फॉर मी, जहाँ पे मैंने एटलीस्ट, ताकि बिल्कुल ये ना लगे कि क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ टेनिस की पिक्चर में, तो 2-3 महीने मेरे को कोचिंग वगैरह दी गई. But more importantly, I think Tennis Buddies, what appealed to me most about the film was that we have very few sports dramas in our country, and then they wonder कि India में sports क्यों नहीं, why we don't see better performances. I think sports को sportsmanship को जितने भी जरिए से हम लोगों तक पहुँचाएं कम है, because I think sports is just absolutely 360 degrees good for the population generally. The film itself, like I said, it's a sports drama, and it has the drama is within a family, so that's another thing which really attracts me. जब से मैं बाप बना हूँ तो playing father to me has become lot more attractive to explore those emotions and those conflicts. So Suhail, when he came with the script to me, it was just a very compelling drama within a family with the backdrop of tennis. So for me it was, मेरे को time नहीं लगा to say yes, because I had a good part. It was a great story, great script. Suhail, of course, very inspiring. So I immediately jumped on. And of course, because I also knew that Divya is doing it at the time. So I've known Divya for a while now. We worked together also. We've known each other for quite long. तो एक comfort level रहता है. But ये the revelation of the film was her, मेरी बेटी अनुष्का.
Like Ranveer said, sports is but an extension of life only. So the way it happened was that Mr. Mukesh Chand Khanna had taken over the role of chairperson of CFSI. So he knew my fetish for sports and there was demand for a sports film there. So he approached us and he said, is there a film of any kind which you have in mind you want to do? So we sat and I spoke to Suhail also. Follow the synopsis. How it works is that they normally have to submit a synopsis following which the works like the screenplay and other things follow. So that's how we submitted the sports rounds and it got accepted. And the production and everything was still, I would say, cakewalk to an extent. Even though we shot in the raging inferno of 47 degrees of Hyderabad and Delhi.
Played tennis in 47 degrees.
And he played tennis also. I played tennis. I'm an amateur tennis player, so playing for me was not as difficult as it was for Ranveer, because attempting something. Since then he's also tried to become a tennis player, which I'm sure he will in due course of time. Which he will become in due course of time. But well, shooting was fun. But later on, CFSI doesn't have a release agenda, so that was the tough part. And it's fun today. Finally, we come to a day where hopefully people will go and watch our film, and the film will anyway just see the light of the day across theatres nationwide and pulling on. I feel very happy and very proud of the fact that we, as a team, we reached this stage.
I think for me it wasn't, because for me it was like easy play. I wasn't playing tennis. I was in the AC van all the time और मैं सिर्फ घर में शूट कर रही थी, तो मुझे ना गर्मी में निकलना पड़ा. आई थिंक पहली बार सुहेल ने मुझे एक आसान रोल दिया करने के लिए. छुट्टी दे दी कि भाई बाकी मुश्किल काम रणवीर करेंगे और ये करेंगी. बट आई थिंक सबसे खूबसूरत फिल्में वो होती हैं जो सिंपल होती हैं, एंड दिस फिल्म हैज़ दैट thing in it that is very simple. The heart is at the right place, and as Ranveer said, we have very few films based on sports, and especially tennis, because हम लोग जो क्रिकेट वाला नेशन है, तो टेनिस जैसा खेल या तो देख लेते हैं, खेलते भी हैं जो लोग, ज़्यादा उसके बारे में चर्चा नहीं होती है. तो एक फिल्म जब आती है जो एक ऐसी स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में बात करती है, आई थिंक इट शुड बी रियली lauded and seen. And it's a very sweet film with everything at the right with the right ingredients. और मुझे करके बहुत मज़ा आया. So मुश्किलात मेरे लिए तो कोई नहीं आए. It was fun. Ranveer, of course, is like party for me because he's fun and he's absolutely too talented, I would say. And she was like raw energy right in your face, which kind of keeps you on your toes all the time. And he is a director who makes the simplest scenes a little complicated, but इस बार इन्होंने शायद थोड़ी छुट्टी दी.
It was not that easy. I mean, acting for the first time and playing tennis with Ranveer sir and acting with him and with Divya ma'am and working everything basically. So it was very difficult, but I think everyone supported me a lot and they encouraged me a lot. So things were right.
Well, as Anoop said, they were looking for a sports film, and initially Anoop had proposed this story, and we discussed the story. Then it went to the next step. उनकी एक कमेटी होती है, पूरा एक प्रोसेस होता है वह कितने I think there are 10 people who go through 15 people. So it's not a small number of people who you have to kind of impress. 15 people, उसमें majority vote if it's in your favor, then it goes to then it goes to the next step. So fortunately it happened for us, and then of course the script took its own time because आप एक कहानी से you go on to the screenplay, then writing the dialogues, so that whole process जो एक दूसरी किसी भी फिल्म में होता है वो हुआ. But जो सबसे tough part था was दक्षता कि मतलब ये आएगी कहाँ से, लड़की कौन होगी जो टेनिस खेलेगी जो कि अंडर 14 स्टैंडर्ड का होगा. When you are saying कि she's playing India under 14, it has to be of a certain caliber. So हमने पहले 3-4 लड़कियाँ सिलेक्ट की जैसे कि नॉर्मल किसी भी रोल के लिए होता है, और उनको टेनिस खिलाना शुरू किया. रणवीर ने तो सीख लिया बहुत जल्दी, लेकिन वो तीनों लड़कियां जो हैं जब हम लोग गए देखने 1 महीने बाद, तो वो एक, अगर आपको याद हो गाना था ढल गया दिन हो गई रात, जिस तरह से वैसा कुछ वो उसमें बैडमिंटन था, यहाँ टेनिस वैसा उस लेवल का चल रहा था. तो हमने कहा भाई ये तो ना हो पाएगा, क्योंकि अगर इस स्टैंडर्ड का हम दिखाएंगे तो कोई नहीं देखने वाला. और आजकल स्पोर्ट्स फिल्म्स बिकॉज पोस्ट चक दे आई फील द एंटायर स्टैंडर्ड इज गॉन completely different. कोई भी बनेगी, चाहे वो मिल्खा सिंह हो या कोई और फिल्म हो, they have to look like professional players. तो तब ये डिसाइड किया कि भाई ये हम नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि हम एक कोच के पास भी गए, उन्होंने कहा 5 साल लगेंगे आपको अंडर 14 खिलाने वाला प्लेयर के लिए. तो हमने कहा 5 साल बाद फिल्म बनाएं या क्या करें. तो फिर ये हुआ कि चलो एक रिवर्स प्रोसेस करते हैं कि लेट अस फाइंड प्लेयर्स हु मे वांट टू एक्ट, बिकॉज हिंदुस्तान में हर तीसरे चौथे आदमी को एक्टिंग करने का शौक होता है. अगर आप किसी भी फील्ड में चले जाएंगे तो चौथे आदमी ने एक लाइन तो कहीं ना कहीं स्कूल में बोली होती है. हमने कहा चलो ये लेट्स ट्राई दिस प्रोसेस एंड लेट्स लुक फॉर प्लेयर्स हु वांट टू एक्ट. सो उसका भी एक पूरा प्रोसेस था. अनूप बिकॉज एज ही प्लेज कॉन्स्टेंटली, ही पुट इन अ वर्ड विद हिज क्लब. मैंने भी एक दो साल खेला था, तो मैंने भी 1-2 लोगों से बोला. तो कुछ मिला के शायद 2-3 लड़कियां जो हैं वो शॉर्ट लिस्ट हुई जो वर इंटरेस्टेड इन एक्टिंग. उसमें सबसे सिंसियर ये थी, तो इवेंचुअली शी गॉट द रोल. बट दैट वाज द टफेस्ट प्रोसेस ऑफ द होल मेकिंग दिस फिल्म, बिकॉज अगर इफ़ यू डोंट गेट द करेक्ट पर्सन इट लुक फॉल्स. अब वो क्लोजअप में तो सिर्फ आप नहीं देखा था कि टक 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 हो रहा है, तो ऑडियंस आपको उठा के फेंक देगी. दे स्टार्ट लाफिंग एट यू. आई मीन यू डू दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. When you look at a film like Uri, I mean, why it's being raved about is because you actually feel that they are soldiers who are actually fighting. So everything, I mean, if it's a film on boxing, it has to look like a professional boxer playing. If it is a film on tennis, it needed to be a film where a professional is playing. मैंने कहा एक्टिंग थोड़ी मैं सिखा सकता हूँ, टेनिस में नहीं सिखा सकता.
I think our family scenes were great fun, because we were not on the courts, right? So she didn't have the advantage. Because whenever we were on the courts, she had the advantage. But when we were doing the home scenes, there we had the advantage. So those were fun, and to see her actually kind of come into her own. In terms of scene by scene coming into her own as a performer, I think that was beautiful. That's when I felt most paternal towards her. टेनिस खेलते हो तो मुझे लगता था इसको मार दो, because she plays tennis, so you should see her play. She's really amazing.
Is India ranked 31?
She's really amazing. मतलब you to see her on a court, इसको देख के मतलब when she would be playing and even if I wasn't shooting, I would like stay back just to watch her play. So she's that good.
I think for me the magic unfurls on the set. एंड वो जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, छोटे छोटे इम्प्रोवाइजेशंस, तो उसमें आपके साथ कौन है, आपको डायरेक्ट कौन कर रहा है, आपके एक्टर्स के साथ में कौन है, वो बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है. सो फॉर मी राइट नाउ हैड द बेस्ट बोथ वेज. तो हर सीन में यू डेंट नो व्हाट्स कमिंग योर वे एंड दैट वाज फन एंड समथिंग ब्यूटीफुल यूज्ड टू जस्ट कम आउट. और छोटे छोटे ये कुछ दे देते हैं, ऐसे सीड्स फेंक देते हैं, और ये जो है ये हर बार ऐसा कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग करते हैं, उसको रिएक्ट करना. आई थिंक एक्टिंग इज ऑल अबाउट रिएक्टिंग. was like a party time for me because he really absorbs everything and just gives it out so subtly that वो सुर बैठ जाता था एक सीन का. तो और ये इनको देखते देखते I think by the time we finished shoot she was pro with what she was doing. She knew the expressions. A very difficult scene we did which was like a confrontational scene with him, the two of us, और मुझे कहीं नहीं लगा कि ये लड़की नहीं है. She did it beautifully well. Absolutely.
Also, I want to take a moment and take a moment to say that the drama in the film, apart from the larger context of the sport, the drama within the family, I think Sohail has done an amazing
Absolutely
job.
well,
Because
yes.
To be able to capture those very nuanced conflicts within a family of three. With such depth and clarity, it was really nice to be doing those scenes.